Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video is very special for Enjin coin holders. In this video I will show you the live price prediction, the live informations and Enjin coins, which is very necessary for all of Enjin coin holders. What's going on in the Enjin coin, what's the high price and what's the current price prediction of the Enjin coin. In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe and also press the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now let's see the last one day price prediction. As you can see here friends, the last one day price prediction, and I have a surprise news for all Enjin coin holders. So as you can see here, the price analysis, the price chart tell us that continuously falling down, but as you can see here, the last hour, as you can see here, that is the currently at this time they start moving upward at this time. As you see here, now at this time they start moving upward, as you can see here friends. As you can see here, now they take a jump, so it's a surprise news for all of you. The change is negative 8.58%, but don't worry, as you can see here, now at this time they take explosion, so soon the change are in positive. And the high price, oh my goodness, Enjin coin had $4, soon 3.94 per dollar is the high price of Enjin coin in the last one day friends. So that's the last one day price prediction. Now let's see the last 1 hour price predictions, what the change goes and Enjin coin, and the last 1 hour the currently change, the currently price change, and the currently last 1 hour high price of Enjin coin, and what is the current. As you can see here, that is the current price of the Enjin coin at this time. As you can see here, $3.3 is the current price of Enjin coin now at this time. And friends, remember that is the live price prediction of the previous last 1 hour. So friends, as I told you about the surprise, so surprise is here all of you. As you can see here, they start a high explosion, so that's a surprise for all Enjin coin holders. I'm also holder, so when I look this kind of change, so I'm very happy. What's your impression? Please share in the comment box. And the change occurred in the Enjin coin as a positive 1.35%, and the high price is $3.3 as I told you. So friends, that is the live price prediction of Enjin coin. What's your opinion about Enjin coin in the futures? That may goes upward or falls down? Please share in the comment box. And my suggestion, if you are a holder of Enjin coins, please hold your Enjin coin with the last half this month, because the big explosion of the Enjin coin are coming soon, and now the explosion starts now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.